नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस YouTube चैनल में। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एंटरप्राइज लेवल एआई एजेंट से आईटी सपोर्ट टिकट क्लासिफिकेशन का एक पीओसी प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं। तो हाउ दिस सॉल्यूशन इज डिफरेंट देन एग्जिस्टिंग आईटी सॉल्यूशन। सो फर्स्ट वन इज, इफ आई आस्क सम क्वेश्चन अबाउट माय कंप्यूटर टर्न ऑन, इफ आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, तो यहाँ पे ये इसका आंसर देगा कि, और इफ लेट मी गिव सम टाइम टू कॉल एपीआई। हाँ, और ये देखिए, जो भी मेरा रिस्पॉन्स है, और बेस्ड ऑन माय यूजर दे ट्राई टू assign a ticket. This is a medium level ticket, hardware ticket, and we can export it, and you can see the response. Not only the, here you can see the follow-up question. Our solution not only just a single model, but it's a multi-model. You can capture images and you can share. Also we can capture our camera also. We can, yeah, if we talk using human agent in live video, we can do it. And another big advantage is the AI agent feature. This feature in beta version, if you have any doubt or any problem in any software, just allow this AI agent, it will automatically. Okay, yeah, so here you can see this is the agent mode, is nothing but they know this is my real configuration of my laptop. So if I ask about run diagnostic system, so it will based on this it will answer. So yeah, this is a nothing but yeah, here you can see it will, as of now they provide just instructor, but AI agent mode is nothing but it will try to do all of things and solve like, let me take some example. If my speaker is not working, so I tell this thing into a AI agent and it will perform everything. So yeah, these are some we can say X factor to our agent, how this solution is different from existing IT solution, because this is a AI agentic behavior. Okay, so here we can see the existing ticket we have. If we have some knowledge base, so these are some knowledge base to perform this thing. Yeah, this is a when I do try to perform some testing. So these are some five ticket I to perform. It will categorize much, and so yeah, these are nothing but my. So okay, this is my demo. This is my GitHub repository. So here you can see each and everything about my technical architecture. These are some demo and other things, and this is a design document, so traditional, you can refer this design document. So yeah, thank you so much. If you want more information, you can check out our GitHub repository. Let me open my submission.md file. Here I mention each and everything about my project. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.